Hi, we're the international students from Eastbourne, and I'm Nadia from Germany.
I am Amanda from Ecuador.
And I'm Jakub from Czech Republic.
And we will show you Eastbourne.
So, first we're going to stop at Hampton Park.
There is one of the biggest parks in the town, which is very beautiful, and you can play a lot of sports here, especially tennis. There are also playgrounds for the children and BMX track for the riding on bikes. In the park is also a very beautiful lake where you can relax and chill.
We're now at Eastbourne Pier.
Eastbourne Pier is a historic seaside pier opened in 1870 during the Victorian era. It is about 300 meters long and stretches into the English Channel. Today it is a popular tourist attraction with the cafes, shops and amusement arcades.
I'm near right now Beachenheads.
You can go for gentle hikes, challenging hiking, cycling, and horse riding, as well as canoeing here.
In the city center is also a shopping center called Beacon, where are a lot of shops and restaurants.
And this is the theater. Here they have a lot of different places. The Tower Gallery, this is a kind of crazy looking house. And yeah, they have a lot of exhibition there, and some of them are free. Some of the houses in Eastbourne are over hundreds of years old. For example, this one here is more than 100 years old.
Our next stop will be the Seven Sisters Cliffs area in the South Downs National Park. We are going here by bus 12X from Eastbourne to Brighton. From the double-deckers, which are going there, you can get a short view of incredible landscapes of the national park. Seven Sisters is one of the most beautiful areas in Britain. You can walk around really nice Cacknell River and enjoy the view of the green hills and snow-white cliffs. You can also go for one of the several hikes in this area. Thank you for watching our video and bye.